Camera seeing. Oh, so you the red beam.
Well, I kind of know like what I'm pointing at, so I can. That's pretty sick. Yeah, I had the amplifiers. That's a Malibu SS, the Chevelle, old school Chevelle, and also has a microphone, so I can hear and. Pretty nice. I remember almost bought one. That one Chevelle that was like right around the corner from our house. That's probably like at least maybe 500 to 700 horsepower.
See, I know you take care of it. Look, I got to tell the boss yours. Oh, you lost the position. You're no longer number one. You're number one. That man was taking care of all day long.
Well, yeah, I mean, look, Grand National. These are really rare.
But that is not my project. I want to show my car.
Well, you gotta build it first.
I'm working on it.
You gotta build it.
The first thing is the salt, right? That's the first step.
Okay.
So I need to have something that drives me to take and make some things happen. I want to take it in go to school and get the history of Sebring and understand. I wish I still had that website.
Yeah, you had the wagon and the 2 cars. Yeah.
Well, yeah, I had it for a while, and I forgot what the link was. So I think it's probably still out there somewhere.
Did I build that for you?
I built it myself.
Wow, that's a nice Volkswagen over there, man.
Yeah.
Sitting right in the front.
See, those were the Safari windows originated from.
Remind me of back in the hippie days, the 60s.
Well, that's all that was in Pacifica: buses and fastbacks and notchbacks.
When I got out of the military, that's what we were driving down in Haight.
I recorded it. Oh God.
Do you have a message?
It's all old school.
We drove
Riviera.
that to New Orleans.
You're looking at it. You're looking at it.
Sorry about that.
Uh-huh.
You're the next one in line.
There might be some here.
So then, about maybe 20 minutes to a half an hour goes by.
Lots of Buicks and Dodges. That's pretty sick. There's a couple GTOs in here. Chevys.
Oh, I've seen those. That was an original thing.
This goes back to
All right, Terra Car Show of 2015. I am proud to announce the host of the morning show on 107 The Bone, Shasta. Look how beautiful this lady is. She's here to help us with the car show. Now we got a celebrity